were fine all this time. I was inside out. Put my heart in your.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a short curly crochet wig, and if that is what you're interested in, or if that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. In this video I'm using half pack of braiding hair, and I'm going to cut it into 4. Like I first of all cut it into 2, then I'm cutting each section into 4. Like I'm cutting each of the 2 into 4, and I'm not going to stretch it, because when you stretch it you tend to lose more of the hair because it's short. After cutting it, I'm just going to start crocheting it to the wig cap, and this is the cap I'm using. This is the adjustable wig cap. I'm just going to put it on my mannequin head, use my T-pin to secure it, and then I'm going to start crocheting it to the wig cap. Let me bring this closer so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to take my crochet hook, pass it through the wig cap, and then take a little section of the hair and then put it on the crochet hook and then drag it and then tie it once. You can also knot it twice or just do it once, and for this I'm just going to show you guys how to do it once and then how to tie it twice. This is a very quick wig you can make by yourself at home. The installation of this wig did not take me up to 4 hours. It was really quick to do and very simple. When you're crocheting your braiding hair to the wig cap, just ensure that your spacing is not so much so the wig will not be too scanty. Like just make sure that the space are not so much, the space you're giving are not so much, so that your wig will come out nice. And for the type of braiding hair to use, you can use any type of braiding hair that is available to you, provided it's a good braiding hair. Just make sure it's an original like braiding hair, so it's something that can take hot water. Just make sure that it's something that can take hot water.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. Somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you.
To coil this wig, this is the bendy rollers I'm going to use, and the type of rollers you use or the size of rollers that you use will depend on the way your coils will come out. Now if you're using a straw or something similar than this, you tend to have a much tinier coils or a much smaller coils, but if you use something that is bigger than this size of rollers I'm using, you tend to get a more bigger type of coils. So whatever type of rollers that you want to use will determine the way your coils will come out. So to coil this hair, I'm going to take the rollers and then wrap the hair around it and then roll it downwards. And after rolling it, make sure that it is very tight and secured. Then you bend both sides of the rollers, and that is it.
I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get.
So guys, this is how far the rollers I have can go. I'm just going to dip it in hot water and then take it out and use it to coil the front part of this wig. To take out this rollers, you can either allow it to dry fully well before you take it out, or you just let it sit a bit and then take out the rollers while it is still wet. It gives you the same coils, no difference, just that when it is fully dried and you take out the rollers, you have to be very careful so it does not have much flyaways, because don't forget that this is a synthetic hair, it is not an original hair. So you have to be very careful when you're taking it out when it is fully dried. So that's just it. You can either do it while it is wet or do it while it is fully dried.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
And then after separating the coils, I'm just going to trim the excess at the top. I'm going to use my scissors to trim it so it looks very neat and beautiful.
'Cause now I found you.
So guys, here's the final look of this wig. See color. Hey, this wig is so cute and I love the coils. I love the color of this wig. You guys see? This is so fine. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig, the color and everything about this wig. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I put out a new video, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video.